Hey guys, it's Emily here. Right now it is like about 3 o'clock and it's a very late vlog. I just posted a video about this morning, I would say, as an announcement that I'd be doing a vlog. And so here is my vlog. This is my first vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna post this yet, so if I do, then hi. But yeah, so welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel.
Did you see the picture?
What?
Did you see the picture of the new car?
Did she send it?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Oh yeah, so we got a new car today.
Well, okay. I don't care if my eyes get strained.
I don't know if they could see that, but yeah, that's what it looks like.
Are you doing a vlog?
Yeah.
Oh.
What? And the car is here. I will show you what it looks like, and I'll insert a picture right here of what our past car looked like. My mom is here finally, and my phone's on 11%, so it needs to be fast. That's what it looks like.
Maybe press the phone.
Smelling it? She's very nosy. Too. You like it?
I don't know when you're ever gonna get in here, but